how to create GroupMe account. So if you want to create a GroupMe account, then first you need to open up your GroupMe application. So make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And once installed, you can open the application. And now to create your account, you can simply tap on create an account. And here you can choose email or your Google or Facebook or your Microsoft. So I'll be choosing email. And now you need to enter your name and your email address, and then you need to create your password. So make sure to create a strong password. And once you create your password, simply tap on this box so that you agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy. And after that, after entering all of your information, tap on create account, and here you need to enter your mobile number. So you can simply choose your country, and once you choose your country code, now enter your mobile number and then tap on text pin and text me, and now you will receive a code to your phone number that you have just entered. And after getting that code, you can simply enter the code here, and once you enter the code, your account will be created. So that's how you create your GroupMe account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.